International students in CSU Long Beach can travel after their initial arrival to the United States. To prepare for your arrival to the U.S. port of entry, first familiarize yourself with the different documents you will need. It is recommended to always carry your original documents with you and have copies saved electronically or in paper for you and trusted family members. To re-enter the United States after an absence of less than 5 months, you will need a passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond the date of the re-entry to the U.S. Valid F1 visa stamp should be available in your current passport book. Canadian students do not need the F1 visa. Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. Properly signed for travel by the DSO/International Student Advisor. A travel signature will be valid for 1 full year from the date it was issued. Other recommended documents include proof of course registration. You can print this from your MyCSU Long Beach student account. Evidence of financial resources. Contact information of the International Students and Scholars Office. Prepare for possible electronic device searches. F, M, and J students and scholars will likely experience search of electronic devices at the ports of entry as described by U.S. and Customs and Border Protection Guidance. More details about this guidance is available online at Border Search of Electronic Devices at Ports of Entry, U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Upon entering the U.S., you will need to review your I-94 record. The Form I-94, Arrival/Departure Record, is a critical record. It shows that you have been legally admitted to the United States, the class of admission, F1, and the authorized period of stay, D/S. It is very important that the information on the record is correct. Speak to a DSO immediately if you see errors in the form. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection Officer may also provide you with an admission stamp on your passport that is annotated with date of admission, class of admission, and admitted until date. If you arrive by a land port, you must pay for the I-94 form online and receive the visa stamp at the land port of entry. If at any time during your stay in the U.S. you need a copy of your I-94 electronic arrival/departure record, you can access at www.cbp.gov/I-94. Domestic travel. While traveling within the United States, you are required to carry your F1 student visa, I-20, and passport. Keep your documents with you when you travel by car, bus, train, or plane. Eventually, you may also have a state ID or driver's license, although helpful, these documents do not prove your immigration status in the United States. Always keep copies of your immigration documents and reach out to our office if your original copies are lost or stolen. For additional travel information, familiarize yourself with Travel, I-Send. Travel and re-entry to U.S. California State University Long Beach.